Mr. President of the NBA, former Secretary to the government, please, thank you, Boss Mustafa, for all you've been doing, and the representative of the judiciary. I appreciate your person here. Tony, critical path analysis of Nigerian economic recovery was mentioned by you, but as I accept the roadmap enunciated here and expecting what will come out of the great topic of tonight and the following week. The challenge is all for us to pull together a united Nigeria committed to national greatness, unless we do it by ourselves. Unless we employ change of mindset, we cannot achieve the desired progress. I'm not being cynical. I'm being factual. The hope is here. The critical changes and bold endeavors will be embarked on by this nation, depending on the cooperation and the collaboration of all of you in the private sector, the drivers of the economic growth and prosperity. Yes, it is a shame not to have electricity for the majority of homes in Nigeria. Yes, poverty is not a shameful thing, but not acceptable. We must banish it. So you all, rigorously thinking of investing in Nigeria must be a dream. But let's interrogate, how did we get here? The hardship. But can we continue to service external debts with over 90% of our revenue? It's a path to destruction. We cannot continue that. We have to make hard decisions. It takes unflinching courage, like men and women of the bar, defending our values, to bring about the changes that are necessary for our country to get up and be respected. But first of all, please employ one thing. Charity begins at home. It's all that you are pleading here. If the topic of tonight or this week must be what Nigeria hopes for, if we must achieve greatness as a nation, what do we do except take bold decisions? It could be painful at the beginning. In the medium term and long run, it's not about you. It's not about me. It's about the generation yet unborn. To the Nigerian Bar Association, the President, Yakub Mikau. Yes, our nation's history is replete with legends of lawyers. You mentioned some of them. And legal professions. They have contributed to our freedom, sustained democratic value, highly impeccable characters who had committed themselves to nation building. Tonight, you have honored me to address this gathering. I say thank you very much.